Your health is your most valuable asset. But in today's fast-paced world, stress, poor nutrition, and environmental toxins can all take a toll on your body. What if there was a natural way to support your body's ability to heal, recharge, and feel its best every single day? Today, we're talking about EchoXen, a breakthrough supplement designed to help restore balance, boost energy, and protect your long-term health. Let's face it, many of us are constantly dealing with fatigue, brain fog, poor digestion, and even stubborn inflammation. These problems don't just appear overnight. They're the result of nutrient deficiencies, unhealthy habits, and the everyday stressors our bodies face. If left unchecked, these small imbalances can turn into bigger health issues down the road. That's where EchoXen comes in. Unlike ordinary multivitamins, EchoXen is a carefully formulated supplement that combines scientifically studied ingredients to support your immune system, improve energy levels, and promote overall wellness. What makes EchoXen unique is its blend of antioxidants, essential vitamins, and herbal extracts, all working together to help your body fight inflammation, improve circulation, and enhance cellular health. This isn't about masking symptoms. It's about addressing health from the inside out. So, what can you expect from adding EchoXen to your daily routine? White heavy check mark, more energy and vitality. Feel less sluggish and more productive throughout your day. White heavy check mark, stronger immune support. Keep your body's defenses strong year-round. White heavy check mark, better focus and clarity. No more brain fog holding you back. White heavy check mark, anti-inflammatory power. Calm down hidden inflammation that may be causing pain or fatigue. White heavy check mark, overall wellness. A balanced body is a healthy body. EchoXen works because it's built on the principle of synergy. Each ingredient is powerful on its own, but when combined, the results are even greater. The antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, vitamins restore what your body is missing, and herbal extracts support natural detox and energy. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Your health journey starts with one decision. If you've been looking for a way to feel stronger, think clearer, and live with more energy, then EchoXen may be the solution you've been waiting for. Backhand index pointing right, click the link in the description below to learn more and grab your bottle of EchoXen today. Don't wait, your body deserves this boost. Take charge of your health, naturally, with EchoXen.